Okay, for our next test here, we are going to be measuring coax loss. You can see I have coax already connected to the analyzer there. When you are checking for coax loss, you want to make sure that your other end of your coax is unterminated. Do not terminate it in 50 ohms, 50 ohm dummy load, or have it connected to an antenna. To check for coax loss, again, power up your analyzer, let it run through the diagnostics, and then what you're going to do is you're going to press the mode button. It says coax loss. So we are at 1.77 megahertz there. Again, you use the tune button and rotate that. And as you can see, the coax loss does vary with frequency. So at HF I'm getting 1.3. Well, it's varying. 1 to 1.3 dB loss on a piece of RG213 coax that is approximately 15 feet long. It went up to 1.5, 1.7. Wow. And if you remember anything from your general or your extra test, you will know that a 3 dB loss in your cables would equate to a 50% power loss at the antenna. So dB loss is not a good thing. So this is for a piece of RG213, this is probably not a piece of coax that you'd want to use on an antenna. It's got even 1 dB loss is quite a bit for RG213. So I'm going to disconnect this one, and of course you can see that connector looks like it's fairly worn. I think this was a spare piece of coax I got at the clubhouse there. I'm going to check a longer piece and see what we're looking at on this one. Well, we're still looking at a 1 dB loss on UHF band, but it's better. It's a little bit better because it's a longer cable. It's probably 25 foot versus 15. Okay. So that's what it does on the lower HF stuff. Let's go on up to UHF. And as you can see, as you increase the frequency, the coax loss also increases. The higher in frequency you go, the better coax you need for your antenna system. So if I were to use this piece of coax on the 2 meter band, I would be experiencing a 1.8 dB loss, which is fairly significant. You'd be losing quite a bit of power to your antenna. So that's how you measure coax loss with the MFJ analyzer.